Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. And here behind me, I have a brand new 2025 Volvo XC40 mild hybrid. I'm going to show you guys some cool tips and tricks or hidden features that us sales guys forget to share with you. So as time goes on, you won't be like, I didn't know that. You get the full experience from the get-go. So let's get going. Alright, so did you guys know that rain sensing wipers come standard in all trim levels on the XC40? I know, you're thinking, that's crazy, Chris, right? Well, the great thing is about this, let's imagine you're out there driving around, and all of a sudden, here comes the rain, right? Doo-doo-doo, there we go. The wipers automatically come on as needed from that point. Now, your next question is probably, hey, Chris, how did I turn these off before I go through the car wash so it's not taking those bad boys off? It's easy, and let me show you how to do that now. All right, so here we are right inside the vehicle. The first thing you guys want to do is come over here to the wiper stick, right? There we are. So you guys see there's a massive button right here where my thumb's on right now. That's the on and off switch, okay? So when you turn that on, you come over here, you see there's an icon to let you know it's on. It looks like there's a wiper, a raindrop, it's white, there we go, rain sensing wipers are on. Now if I tap this button, the icon goes away, so therefore your rain sensing wipers are no longer on or available. And that's how you do it. Alright, so here we are. You just bought your brand new XC40. Now you're going to love showing it off. But sometimes when you go to show it off, you guys are going to new places out there. You don't know how to get there. So it's a good thing we have navigation built in right here. So you can see it's right up there. You get your Google Maps. Now to access that on your center display screen right here, you can see it's right up there, or maybe when you hit this little square thing, it's right up there. Now to take this one step further, you can also have it display right up here for you on your driver's interface screen. How? You just come right down here, you select this button, wada bing, wada boom, just like that. So now I can have other things right up here while having my maps right up there. How cool is that? You probably noticed this clip right here as you're driving around. You're probably asking yourself, what's the purpose of this clip? Well, that is a ticket holder. So let's imagine you're downtown, you got to pay for your parking spot, maybe at an event or at work, you need a parking pass or something right up there. You can get it, throw it right in there. So shut the door. You don't have to worry about that thing flying around, moving around, just in case the window's down or cracked, or whatever the case could be. It's fastened and secure so people can see it just like that. So it should be in every single car in my opinion. Let us know down below in the comments. It's simple and easy to put in. It's always nice to have help in some situations when you need it. So a prime example on the side mirrors, when you're backing up, you do have a reverse tilt action going on here. So to use that is pretty nice and easy. You simply put your foot on the brake, put the vehicle into reverse. While the vehicle's in reverse, both side mirrors would tilt down. So this is great when you're backing up into a tight spot. You want to see a little more down below of your vehicle, see how close you're getting to things, stuff like that. But if you weren't prepared for this, it can be very annoying and you're like in panic, I can't see that well, right? So when you put the vehicle back into park, you'll see it will angle right back up. So the question might be, Chris, is there a way I could turn off the reverse tilt side mirror action? The answer is yes. All you have to do is hit this little button right there, come down to controls. When you get to controls, you'll see reverse tilt, boom, turn it off. So now when you put the vehicle into reverse or in reverse, that has been deactivated and everything's set the way you want it. So you can turn it on and off based on your situation. Nice and easy. So after buying a new car, it can be overwhelming because all the technology stuff in the vehicle. So you don't know where to start, how to figure out how things work. Well, great thing about it, you have a couple options within the vehicle. Let me show where those are at to help you guys out for you set for success. We're going to focus on the center display screen. On the bottom left hand corner, you got these little squares. Select that. Down below, you'll see you have an owner's manual downloaded already on the vehicle. Cool thing about this, you can see some quick little point of reference. If you want to get a little fine-tuned on a particular feature or function on the vehicle, you can type things in to learn more about that. Now, if reading doesn't help you out that much, you're more of a visual learner, that's not a problem. We can back out. We'll come right up here. You have a YouTube button. And the great thing about YouTube is that you have this crazy guy that you can follow. You can ask questions down below in the comments, and worst case is that he makes a video and help you guys with the product. And the cool thing is there's so many videos out there on YouTube that can help you out with your visual learning too. So there we go. Don't forget to subscribe.
So